The Honeywell HPA200 HEPA air purifier for large rooms is a reliable and efficient solution for improving indoor air quality, suitable for spaces of up to 310 square feet. With dimensions of 17.7 D into 18.8 W into 10 H and an item weight of 13.91 pounds, this air purifier is designed with the user in mind, delivering powerful performance in a sleek black design. Equipped with a HEPA filter that captures particles as small as 0.3 microns, this air purifier effectively removes airborne pollutants, allergens, and odors to create a healthier living environment. The 60 dB noise level ensures quiet operation, allowing you to enjoy cleaner air without disruptions. The button control interface of the Honeywell HPA200 makes it easy to adjust settings and customize the air purification process to suit your needs. Additionally, the unit is easy to maintain with hand wash care instructions and requires no assembly, providing hassle-free operation, backed by a 5-year manufacturer limited warranty.